To create a drawing with something of pencil tone, all you've got to do is the same method each time. You go along the line, so I'll go along the line of the edge of something that you're going to be shading. You're going to go and then fade that out. Now you can go do cross hatching, which is diagonally one way, small tiny lines, diagonally the opposite way over the top, across, and then slowly fade it out. Now it's all in the control of the pencil. Now when you're doing shading, we don't smudge with our fingers. We literally use the control of the pencil. So if I show you over here, if I go along the line, so it's almost like a buffer zone, okay? And then I can go across. I don't have to use cross hatching if I've got the control right. So if I go across, slowly reduce the pressure, so it's nothing. Okay. You need to look, when you're doing this, you need to look at where the light tones are, where the dark tones are, to get a realistic piece. So in this section over here, we've got a bit that's going to be really dark. So I'm going to be pressing on quite hard with my pencil. So we go around the outside. Because it's a larger area, I am going to use the cross hatching, so diagonally one way, diagonally the opposite way. Notice I've not gone around the whole shape. I've literally gone round one half it, not round the whole thing. So I'm looking and thinking about where the light tones are, where the dark tones are. And then I'm going to fade it out using the pressure. So literally pressing on lighter and lighter and lighter, almost like not touching at all in the end. It takes a little bit of practice. What I don't want to be doing then is smudging with my finger, because basically everything will just go grey. It'll go one tone, so monotone. And we don't want monotone. So you keep going. You need to add in. Now you can use different types of pencils. Now I've only got one type of pencil. If you're lucky enough to have different types of pencils, like a 2B or a 4B, which is softer, you can use these on these darker areas, and it's great because you'll be able to get a darker outcome faster, but you will have to fade out. So you can see there, dark to light. I'm not managing to shade the whole thing. I don't want that. I'm just thinking about where the areas are, and then it would shade the next bit. Now I know this bit here with the scissor would be a little bit darker underneath. So I'm just going to do a small amount, fade it out. Remember, you can always add. You don't want to add so much pressure to start off with that it's too dark and we can't lift it. Small tiny lines. You can build up and layer it, so a lighter bit and then add a bit and add a bit more, go back to it. You see, it needs to be faded out a little bit more, it's a little bit patchy. But you can see there already, I'm thinking about where the light and dark tones are, pressing on hard with my pencil, then slowly reducing the pressure as I go along. You can use the cross hatching technique, but you don't have to. And that is how you create pencil tone.